Champion power equipment for T6596 4000 watt portable generator. Champion generator can run lights, TV, refrigerator and sump pump all at the same time. Champion 196cc of engine with cast iron sleeve will run 12 hours on a full tank of gas at 50% load. Generator has 1-120V outlet, 5-20R, 1-120V twist lock receptacle, 5 pounds-30R, 1 RV receptacle TG30R. It is 23.2 inches in length, 17.5 wide and 17.8 inches in height. The generator provides 4,000 max watts and 3,500 rated watts of power. It has a low oil sensor designed for long life and easy maintenance and voltmeter. Overload protection and easy pull recoil start, also lightweight, 97 pounds. This unit is ideal for RVs, camping trips, hunting, traveling, jobs around the house, backup power during emergencies. Click link in description below to read products details and customer reviews.